Today, I was craving a cheesesteak sandwich, so I went back to my favorite chain restaurant that sells cheesesteaks. Let's see what I got. All right, I got two of their small sandwiches. I got the Philly Cheesesteak and the Veggie Delight. Let's start with the cheesesteak. Oh, and I also asked them for some extra mayo, and they gave it to me in these small containers instead of the packets, like what you see in their app. All right, so the Philly cheesesteak is made with USDA choice steak, green peppers, mushrooms, and onions, topped with melted provolone cheese and served on our signature toasted roll. This cheesesteak comes with lettuce, tomato, and mayo. And I added extra, almost everything that was not charged extra. Wow, look at that. That looks really good. So this one came out to $8.49. And I added jalapenos, banana peppers, pickles, extra onions, extra mushrooms, extra peppers, extra mayo. Look how huge it is. Oh no, it's falling out the other side. Oh no. Okay, have a good meal. That's really good, but I think all this vegetables that I put in here is breaking through the bread. Now it's a rush to eat everything before it falls out. I'm gonna be eating a steak salad soon. Check out this cheese pull. Gravity cheese pull. How's your day going so far? I have enough of the droppings here to make another sandwich. All right, sorry about that. I forgot to turn on one of the lights for the first half. But that Philly cheesesteak was decent. It was okay. I'd probably, if I was gonna go back and get any sandwich I wanted, and if I wasn't recording for this channel, I would have the prime barbecue jalapeno sandwich. All right, let's see if I have room for this Veggie Delight that is packed with ingredients. Let me read you what it comes with and what I added to it. So this is the Veggie Delight cheesesteak, and it features green peppers, sliced mushrooms, and sauteed onions, grilled topped with melted Swiss provolone and cheddar cheese, and served on your signature toasted roll. This one comes with lettuce, tomato, and mayo. You see all that cheese melted right there on the side. And then, so this one was $7.49, and I added jalapenos, banana peppers, pickles. I asked for extra onions, extra mushrooms, extra peppers, extra lettuce, and extra mayo. So a little bit of everything extra. For sure, I'll be eating a salad after this one. Okay, let's see if I can pick it up without destroying it. I have a feeling it's probably already half destroyed. I almost kind of wish that they closed the sandwich instead of having an open face like this. Holy smokes, look at this thing. All right, have a good meal. Even though this is a small, or both of them were smalls, but their smalls is packed with food. It's actually a pretty good bargain, I guess, if you think about it. Can't get my mouth in here. If you've ever thought to yourself, I want a salad in a sandwich roll, and then eat a side salad afterwards, you should definitely get this Veggie Delight because you're gonna have plenty of the lettuce ingredients left over. I think having the pickled jalapenos, the banana peppers, and the pickle in here gives it too much acidity. For this Veggie Delight, I would recommend not putting extra jalapenos, banana peppers, and pickles. It's just a little bit too much, and it's just too sour. Kind of hard to enjoy it. Would I order this again? No. I think this was just a one and done. If I want a salad, I would just get a really good salad instead of having this. And like I was saying, I would not get this Philly cheesesteak again because I'd rather have the prime barbecue jalapeno sandwich. But I think my Charley cheesesteak phase is over for now. I think I overdid it. I'm too full. It's a good meal. It's just 2 sandwiches I probably wouldn't try again. Let me know in the comments, what's your favorite cheesesteak sandwich at Charley's Cheesesteak? Or do you eat the wings? I haven't tried the wings yet, but I might try it someday. If you made this far into the video, thank you. I really appreciate you. Remember, it's never too late to make it a great day. I will see you in my next video. Take care now. Bye.